farmer's market in Foley today. You can see it off in the background there. The sun is straight in my eyes. But it is just a gorgeous day. It's probably gotten up to about 70 degrees right now. And you can see there's barely a cloud in the sky. Sunny and gorgeous. I'll show you in this video what I picked up today for my salad bar this week.
You never had any. All right.
I'm home from the farmer's market, and what did I get? These are French breakfast radishes. Here are some daikon radishes, some great tomatoes, and never had this before. It's a Japanese sweet potato. Here are a couple of key limes that I picked off on my tree in the backyard, some cucumbers, some turnips. Roasted turnips will be great on my salad this week, and I got a huge bag of locally grown mixed greens. So there you go. Make your salad bar for the week.